Zero Surge's power quality filters are protecting thousands of point-of-sale, digital signage, and kiosk applications from damaging power line surges with no degradation or failure. For simpler applications, you can place a plug-in model where the equipment is located, or a facility filter can be wired to the dedicated line to the equipment. For manufacturers, our open chassis model can be designed into the application to increase reliability and performance. The operating temperature of -13 to 140 Fahrenheit makes them ideal for indoor and outdoor use in a variety of climates. All of our modules are certified to UL safety standards, making the UL certification process fast and easy. For more information on our complete line of surge protectors, visit zerosurge.com. Zero Surge. Surge protection using filter technology. A better way.